In today's tutorial, we're learning how to blend the images in Canva in just one simple click with this latest new feature. And we're starting from a blank canvas. Now let's look for a picture in the Elements tab. And here let's type in beach meditation. Go to Photos, see all. And here we can find a lot of pictures that are pretty nice to use. So let's look for one that we want. I'm going to use this one, drag it on the screen. And now we're going to look for some pictures of birds. So type in birds. Maybe let's make it plural. And then drag in this nice image of the birds. Scale them down until you have about the size that you want. So let's say this would look realistic. Select the image, hold Shift and select the other image. Go to Edit Image. And now click on this Blend option. This will appear when you have both images selected. Click on Blend Images and wait for a few seconds. And now the blend tool will do its magic. And here you can see that the image has been nicely blended into one another. There's always a few options from which you can choose. So whichever one you like most, you can just select it and then click on Done to keep it. And this way the image has been blended in one another. You can no longer edit it, but it now acts as one picture. So I think it's a pretty great feature in Canva. And this is how you blend images together in Canva in just a few seconds using that new blend feature. If you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to drop a follow and watch the video on the screen right now.